I come bearing good news. I come bearing good news. So uyabona laba abahlangene ngawe sebeyiqulu nje impela, they seeking to destroy you. And now, man, because you're walking in your own understanding and you depending on your strength than God, you are starting to feel intimidated. You're starting to feel overwhelmed, man. No, man, baningi labantu at the end of the day. You're looking at the quantity and you're starting to be alarmed and you are uneasy, man. I want to assure you that God being on your side, bazoxabana bodwa labantu laba, bazoxabana bodwa. And mina-ke, I can confidently say so. I don't come without evidence. And one thing I love about the Bible, it is full of the principles and the model operandis of God. It helps us understand the character of God. I read the story of Amajuda when they were ready to be attacked by 3 different nations, or Moab, or Ammonites, Mount Seir. All these countries had gathered together in an attempt to destroy Judah. So go read 2 Chronicles chapter number 20, the whole of it. You will understand God there defending his people. All right. And so it happened ukuthi kaJuda whilst kurula inkosi ebizwa ngoKing Jehoshaphat. Kunezizwe ezintathu ezayihlangene in an attempt to destroy kaJuda. And Jehoshaphat, being Jehoshaphat and knowing ukuthi izizwe eziningi mos lezi zo-attack lana, and so there was no way out. The gentleman started being timid, started being afraid, started to feel distraught. And he was like, isizowenza njani in this mighty army? God, you can see most. The army is huge. And you know what this guy did? The first response, he declared a fast. As from now on, there's gonna be a fast throughout the whole of Judah. Everyone will be on fasting. And they were to meet in one place. And so they went on with that. King Jehoshaphat for 3 days of fasting. This army is huge. And then everyone had gathered there, including the little ones, or everyone was there, seeking the face of God and seeking help from God. And so that's our immediate response. We seek help from God. And so uNkulunkulu waphendula through the prophet uJahaziel. Waphendula through Jahaziel. Wathi lempi ke yabona ke le akusiyone yakho. Le ungeyami. And that's the thing with God. Whenever he arises, he has to defend. It's a defend mode. And so what? No. Prepare your arsenals. Get everything ready. Go meet these guys. They are encamping by the side of Syria. Go wait there. Go to meet with them. And Mina, I will be there with you. Hey! Labantu babekwa pa presence. The following day, they went on and ready for the battle. Lithi iBhayibheli bathole instruction yokuthi amaLevi awame phambili khona ezodumisa, right? And so babhizi lana bayadumisa. Lithi iBhayibheli, they were praising with loud voices, with high pitch. And you know what God did, guys? Imsebenzi worship. You know what God did on the other side? Wenza lama 3 nations axabana wodwa. Yes, ashayana wodwa. Kwaqala lena le babulalana baqedana abantu, kwasala laba babulalana bona bodwa. To listen Bible to a point that there was no one remaining, right? And when they were done worshiping, they moved up to the other end where the enemy was encamping. And guess what they found? They found dead bodies. Dead bodies. I-worship iyabulala izitha zakho. Listen, Bible, they found dead bodies everywhere. There was dead bodies lying around. And not just that only. There's somebody who told me a couple of days back, what uNkulunkulu sometimes menqobela kakushiyi without a plunder. You know what they found? They found plunder. Isita did not just go to attack without their possession. Little Bible, they had their jewelries with them. They had all these prized possession. Everything that belonged to them of treasure was with them. All right. And so, mabefika abantwana bakaJuda bafica yonke into ilaphansi idumbu nama treasured possession. And that's the thing with God and plunder. I little Bible ba collect plunder for 3 good days. That's how much wealth there was there. There was jewelry, there was gold, there was everything. These people had come with everything. We understand. And so that's the thing with God. Also baxabanisa bodwa. Yabo laba babhizi bahlangene ngawe, they planning, they plotting, they want to destroy you. Mina, I tell you about a God who will ask you to just worship. Just worship. Awukuvala umlomo, awukungayi ukoyilwela. Lempi is not even yours in the first place. Jehovah prides himself in defending you. You know this thing about God and defending his children. Hey, I tell you about a God, Mina, who arises and defends his children. And so God prides himself in that. Yabo leyampi babetsheliwe kahle ukuthi no, it's not theirs. And so they need to step aside and let God be God. And God, guess what our God did? He got them to fight all amongst each other, and they destroyed each other. Babulalana bodwa. Whilst minangalana on the other end, I'm just worshiping and praising my God. And there's something about worship that propels God to go forth. Worship is propelling God to contend and fight for you. Hey, this thing, mysteries of the kingdom. I always tell you, these are mysteries of the kingdom. And so instead of thinking you're going to win that battle on your own, you're going to fight that battle on your own, that battle is not even yours in the first place. You have a Father, by the way, that can defend you tooth and nail. Our Father is willing and ready to go to the far ends for you. And so some battles are just not even worth fighting. That battle is not even yours. Bayekele bahlangane bodwa. When you're